In primetime news this evening, 19 new COVID-19 cases, total now at 252. Chaos in Portmore on another shopping day, but this time not at supermarkets. Wholeness to address the nation, Prime Minister to speak on the economy as COVID-19 takes its toll.
Good evening and thanks for joining us once again for Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what additional measures would you recommend to help the government deal with the COVID-19 crisis?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.